Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. A very good morning to you all. Assalamu alaikum. Ayan Kibriya Qureshi, Siratul bint Haq, welcome to the class today. Okay, let us join now. Farhan, hello Farhan. Farhan, how are you, Baba, and your father? Alhamdulillah, fine. Farhan, I can listen to you. Why? Okay, Baba. Okay, thank you. Are you okay? Okay, Baba, thank you. Now listen to me. Listen to me. Wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum assalam. Listen to me, my dear students. Today, a big thanks to you that you all have joined the class by wearing your uniform. Is anybody, one or two student, suppose you could not find out your uniform and you did not get any opportunity to wear the uniform. Okay, you are excused for today, but keep on your camera on, please. But keep on your camera on. You are requested to start your camera on. Okay, Isran, start your camera on. Meherin Tuntuni, start your camera on. And Qureshi, today you haven't got your uniform most probably, no problem for today. To try to find out, or if it is not straight iron, make it iron. Then next class, Meherin Tuntuni, then Isran Hussain, Siratul, thank you, Siratul. Siratul bint Haq. Listen to me. Suppose, have you heard the name of Messi? He's a football player. Yes. Yes. So he knows. He's very expert. He's very number one player. But he wears uniform every day at the time of playing. Am I right? Okay. Okay, that's all right. Okay. So, listen to me. Before wearing, suppose before, okay, if you wear the dress uniform, you will be warmed up. Okay. Suppose your family is going to Cox's Bazar. You have booked a ticket. You are going to Cox's Bazar. You have booked a ticket. Still now it is 1 week remain, but you have booked a ticket. So, a plane ticket or train or bus ticket. You are going to Chittagong. You did not start. After 1 week, you will start. When you have booked ticket, then one type of thrilling is working in you that we are going to Chittagong. Warm up. In the same way, if you wear your uniform before class, it seems that you are the students. You will be warmed up. Okay, that's all right. Let me check my participants. How many students come to school? Farhana Amin, Farija, Muhtasin Mamun, Sadaf, Siratul bint Haq, Ayan, Ahmed Farhan, Aryan, Arshad. Please, you are requested to start your camera on. Aryan and Arshad. Fardin Haq, thank you very much for keeping on your camera. Hasin Fuad, keep your camera on. If you do not wear your uniform, it doesn't matter. For today, you are excused for today. But since, suppose you can't find out, or it is not iron, so, okay, for today you are excused. Okay, then, wait a bit. Jahin. Hello, Jahin. Thank you very much. No excuse. Thank you very much. Khansa Sanin. Khansa Sanin Isran. Keep on your camera. Who will not keep your camera on will be absent. Page number, I did not start the lesson. Okay, Jagunar, Isran, keep on your camera, please. If you, only for today, if you do not wear your uniform, you are excused. For today, Isran, keep on your camera. Otherwise, you will be absent in the class. I will take a screenshot after a while. Page number 97. Yes. Tell. Okay, that's all right. That's you don't know. You keep always you don't know. Nothing to do. Okay, that's all right. Now listen to me. Asian we have read. European we have read. Then we have finished the chapter. We have finished the chapter. Now chapter 13. SDG we have started a little. Again we will read it. Chapter 13. Chapter 13, page number 101. Chapter 13, page number 101. We'll start. Okay, get ready. Okay, my dear student, listen to me. Page number 101. The United Nations UN was established on 24th October in 1945. Since its inception, the UN has commendable roles in ensuring global safety, economic development, social progress and cooperation. Every country, every state needs cooperation. No country can claim that he is or she is self-dependent. Every country needs cooperation. Am I right? You need cooperation from me. I need help and cooperation from you. Okay, this is the basic needs. In line with the effort, the organization declared Millennium Development Goals, MDG, Millennium Development Goals. Remember it. Saman, did you join the class? Hello, Saman, Isham. Hello, Saman, did you join the class? Sama, let Sama. Thank you, Sama, wearing a dress. Thank you, Baba. Isham, did you join, Baba? Isham, Sama, thank you. Sama Mubashir Khan. You were looking gradually like your elder brother, Mubashir Khan. Okay, thank you very much, Baba. Okay, that's all right. Isham did not join today. Isran is joined. Ayan Qureshi, Taha, Meherin. Let me check my list. Participant list. No. Still now two students. Shifat Sadia, Muntasir, Mamun. You should start on your camera. Please. Okay, Saman, thank you very much for joining full enthusiasm. By tomorrow or by next class, by today, inshallah, we'll finish our syllabus. Then we will start the revise. Maximum time I will ask question. On every chapter I will ask question orally. You will give answer. It will be useful for us. Okay now. So it is found that UN, United Nations, established on 24 October 1945. In class 5 also you have learnt it. Since its inception, the UN has commendable roles in ensuring global safety. Commendable, recommendable, that means credible, প্রশংসনীয়, praiseworthy, commendable, praiseworthy, প্রশংসনীয়, economic development, social progress and cooperation. In the line, in this connection, in this effort, the organization declared Millennium Development Goals, MDG, in brief, MDG, in 2000, aiming at a world free from hunger, poverty, disparity, diseases, and environmental disaster. The Isham is coming. Welcome, Isham. So it is found that UN, United Organization, has declared that they will eradicate from the world hunger. That means no people will die for a hunger, poverty, disparity, diseases, and environmental pollution. In one word, we can say that world will be disease free and hunger free. The UN took this mission, Millennium Development Goals, that they will eradicate all these type difficulties. They will eradicate from the world. Isham, welcome. After the expiry of the period, next Isham entered the waiting room. After the expiry of the period set for MDG, Isham, did you join? 2 times I have admitted you. Now Isham, okay, welcome to the class. After the expiry of the period set for MDG in 2015, Millennium Development Goal, Aryan, do not disturb with your fingers. UN declared the Sustainable Development Goals (SDG) with a fresh deadline 2030 to achieve them. This chapter focuses the ideas of SDG declared by the UN. The UNO proclaimed this, announced that they will eradicate this type national and international problems. Suppose hunger, poverty, disparity. Ahmed from Aryan Taha, do not send me message. Hence, after the completion of the chapter, we will be able, okay, Daniel, welcome. If we go through this chapter, we will be able to know, we will be able to explain sustainable development, MDG and SDG. MDG, Millennium Development Goals, SDG, Sustainable Development Goal. To describe the Sustainable Development Goals approved by the UNO, to make pictorial posters on SDGs, we will be able to know, to be interested in achieving SDGs approved by the UN, United Nations Organization. Lesson 1. Sustainable Development Habitat. You know that we live in a planet, we live in Earth, called the Earth. Sir, sorry for interruption, can you tell me what is the page? Page number 101. Page number 101. 101. We get essential elements like oxygen, fuel, food, water, land and shelter from the nature of this earth. We know that we have been living in a planet called Earth. We get essential elements like oxygen, fuel, food, water, land and shelter for surviving. What we need, everything we get from the earth, from the nature of this earth. We also enjoy shades of the trees and beautiful weather of the earth from the earth. But a close observation shows that if we observe very closely, we could see that the observation shows that our earth is constantly changing ecologically, economically and socially, scientifically. Every day new happenings are happening and the world has been changing day by day. What is the reason behind these changes? Sabria, welcome back. Welcome back. Did you return from country? From your, did you went to someone has expired of your relatives? Sorry, I do not know. I would not like to hurt you. Uh, you did not join in your first class. You can't. Oh, oh. Okay, may Allah place him in the best Jannah. Inna lillahi inna ilaihi rajiun. Okay. Welcome back. Thank you very much. With the rise of again, with the rise of the world population, human demands and luxuries are also increasing. In order to meet these demands, human beings are trying to raise their status as well as income. In one word, we can say that from the beginning of the civilization, people have been trying, people have been keeping their efforts to survive in the world, to increase their income, to increase luxurious life. People have been changing their world. They are therefore taking part in different development activities. For example, they are building new houses, dwelling, বসবাসের জন্য, houses, roads, industries. So infrastructures has been changing. Farmers are multiplying their production by using fertilizer and pesticide. In my childhood, when I was in childhood, I saw that by 1 year, the poor peasant cultivates only one crops in a year. But nowadays, the agriculturists, the ordinary farmers of a country produces 3 times crops, even fruits and paddy and wheat, 3 times they are taking production from the soil. It has adverse impacts on environment and biodiversity. We are getting more production, but it is happening biodiversity. Such type of development is not sustainable or desirable. Suppose at the time of making garden, when we were producing lot of fruits and paddy and other crops, then what is happening? We have been using pesticide, we have been using chemical fertilizer. We are not interested to cultivate in a natural way, in a organic way. Such type of development, as we have been using more fertilizer and pesticide, so it is being a diversity. So development is not sustainable or desirable. Hence, we should realize that sustainable development is more needed. And it is found that development goal, that means MDG, Millennium Development Goal, did not fill up the demand. What UN wanted, that demand did not fill up. So the UN again has declared that sustainable, যতদিন অশিক্ষিত, illiteracy, poverty and lot of difficulties what you face, এগুলো দূর না হবে ততদিন পর্যন্ত তারা চালিয়ে যাবে। ওয়ান মোর ইউএনও দেখলো কি যে একটা মিলেনিয়াম গোল করলো, যে মিলেনিয়াম গোল করার পরে 15 সাল পর্যন্ত আপ টু 2015 পর্যন্ত এই যে তোমার হলো যে কোঅপারেটিভ অন্য হ্যান্ডসগুলো জাতিসংঘের ইউনিসেফ আইএলও, এই অর্গানাইজেশনগুলো আপ্রাণ কাজ করার পরে 2015 সালের মধ্যে পোভার্টি দূর করতে পারেনি, অশিক্ষিত হার দূর করতে পারেনি। প্লেস পে অ্যাটেনশন। সেই জন্য তারা এই মিলেনিয়াম ডেভেলপমেন্ট প্রোগ্রামটা বাদ দিয়ে ইনস্টিটিউট অফ দ্যাট সাস্টেইনেবল ডেভেলপমেন্ট প্রোগ্রাম হাতে নিয়েছে, যার টাইম নয়, যতদিন এটি লাগুক সময় আমরা পৃথিবী থেকে অশিক্ষা আর হলো ক্ষুধা আর এই যে অল টাইপ ডিফিকাল্টিস আমরা দূর করব, এনভায়রনমেন্টাল পলিউশন এভরিথিং আমরা দূর করব। সেই জন্য এই নতুন যে স্টেপটা জাতিসংঘ গ্রহণ করেছে, এটার নাম হলো সাস্টেইনেবল ডেভেলপমেন্ট গোলস। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? এম আই রাইট? আই এম নট গোয়িং again. Okay, next para. Sustainable development is a process where future is pivotal. It puts equal emphasis on the protection of nature. It values present demands without neglecting future needs. Increasing production without using pesticide can be an example here. Sustainable development emphasizes environment friendly farming that help keep natural resources of present and future time intact. Safeguarding of human being and animal resources is also an example of sustainable development. We can cite many examples like this to indicate sustainable development. That means, oh my God, what is this? Disconnected? Wait a bit, please. Well, thank you very much. May Allah bless you, may Allah protect you, may Allah save you. So much for the present.